Going out there? Well, obviously you've clicked on this video to kind of see another idea of how to repair these printed circuit boards. So I'll show you what's going on. Basically it's through a coffee machine. It's getting it sort of moved, and the grinder mount button has kind of broken the thing in half. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. As you can see that crack that runs through it. It goes the whole way through. So basically what I'm going to do is I've got some conducting silver varnish. It's supposed to work the same as one of those circuit rider pens. It's kind of a little bit different way of doing it. I don't have 40 bucks to spend on a pen, so I'm going to try a little bit of a different way and see how we go. So I'm just going to clean off this green crap off the thing first, the same as I've got over here. A little bit I did before. Thought, hey, why not just share this with everyone? So bear with me and we'll go through it. As you can see, it doesn't take long to really clean it. Now, sorry I didn't share me super glue in it. All I've used is Loctite 401 to glue that thing back together. It's pretty solid again now, which is always a good thing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it a bit of a contact clean, and we'll give it a wipe down, and then we'll sort out this conducting silver. So you might be wondering, how the hell am I going to apply this? I could use a paintbrush, but they do become messy. They're a pain in the ass. I just figured that I might have a better idea for it. Never ever done this before in my life. Seems like a pretty cool thing. So my idea is to use a syringe show you what we'll do. No, we're not a druggie. This was back from when I had got a meningococcal. Not a great thing, let me tell you. Oh, this sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun to try and get organised, doesn't it? Not as thick as I thought it would be. Alright, so this shit is spreading out like a motherfucker. So I'm going to have to do some serious scraping here a little afterward. So maybe I should have gone and spent a little bit more on other stuff for this job. But it's the joys of having no money, where you have to come up with debut ideas. As you can tell, I am most definitely no professional, so followed my advice. At your own risk. No doubt I'm doing this at my own risk at the moment, and it looks like I've completely fucked it now. Right, let's try this again. Not ideal, I can tell you. This stuff is far too runny to be anything. And as you can see, with hands like a surgeon, and yes, I am talking shit, you can see how much this stuff spreads. So all I'm going to do is just wait for this to dry, and then we'll scrape all that so none of it's all connected afterward. Not ideal, no, but that's just what we have to do.